Welcome to Inquisitive. Inquisitive is actually going to be a major part of your work this semester, and as you see from this list, this is on course content, and you can click on Inquisitive in the ebook. By the way, you can always access the ebook from here with this quick link. It will always be here, and you can find the pages you need to read there. But you will have inquisitive exercises covering the majority of major grammar and mechanical issues that students have. So incomplete sentences, run-on sentences, problems with commas, and various other things will all be covered here. And for these skills, I've included page numbers from the book. You can also, if you want to, just dive in and start. What I like about all of these is that they use gaming. You can guess how confident you feel about a particular answer and wager more points or less depending on the particular question, and you just have to get to a certain number with that wager and with your overall questions to master the skill. If you have questions about any of these grammar or mechanical issues, and as you see, there are also some about using sources, whether it's choosing which ones to use, whether it's using MLA style to present those sources in your work, whether it's figuring out how to put different ideas from a variety of sources together, they'll all be there, and these are all skills that you're going to need this semester. So anytime you have questions, I'm always happy to help. So if you want to get started on these earlier in the week, you can always save your progress and come back later. And if you have problems, talk with me. I'm always happy to help. So you access each one just by clicking on the heading. I already have done this for a separate screen, and I just wanted to show you what it looks like. So I've set up for your first one how to use Inquisitive, where you can just get to know it. You're only going to have to do a very few questions for this one, as opposed to more questions for the ones that have actual skills. So for this one, we get to drag labels below to fill in the blank. And I'm just going to randomly do this, and it will tell you if it's right or wrong. It will often give you hints. And so by answering questions, yay! So you can keep on going once you've answered all for a, so let's see. How about that? Ooh, you must answer a minimum number of questions to get a perfect grade. See, it's telling me why I got it right or why I got it wrong, and I like that a lot. Okay, you must, okay. So once you've answered all of that, it will let you go on to the next question, and you can always pause it. Instead of going on to the next question, you can pause it. You can change this up and down to get more points or fewer points if you're unsure. And so you'll go through all of that. And when you're done with the whole thing, once you've gotten your target score, you can choose to answer more, but you don't have to. The good thing is if you're having problems with that skill later on in the semester, you could go back and work on it more. And once you have originally hit your target goal, you don't have to worry about that ever again. So use this as to increase your skills. Let me know if you have questions about it, and I look forward to working with you.